Doom, 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 doom. Can't touch this. Hey Glow fam, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. We are happy to have you here. Today I am giving you guys the 411 on this hair that I am wearing. My little curly setup here. She's giving me Jamaican vacation vibes. Okay, so I am gonna hop right into the video because I'm not gonna keep you guys long. So I got this beautiful hair from Isee Hair. It is the Princess series. Let me get it up there so you guys can see. And I made sure to keep the information for it. Okay. So when you get your hair, it will look like this. I already took out the bag that the hair came in, but it did come with a wig cap, of course the hairnet, as well as I know there was an informational card in here. I think I lost that, so yeah. And then they also gave these really cute 3D mink lashes. I thought that was really sweet of them. And of course your hair. And so the hair that I purchased, let's see, it was the Malaysian deep curly 12-inch. All right, and it is 180 density, and it is a 13x6 wig, lace wig. All right, so in first getting the hair, it was really soft. It didn't have any weird smells or anything. It didn't smell like Frito chips or burnt chemical hair or anything. It was really nice. I did co-wash the hair. People, please co-wash your hair before you just plop it on your head. I co-washed the hair, of course. I did not really do a lot of customization because, to be honest with you, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a professional. Just do what it do to make it work for your boo, okay? And I did a little bit of plucking. I did some baby hairs, but I'm not, when it comes to curly hair, I don't really feel the need to have baby hair. So yeah, I do like the density of it. I feel like it's pretty thick and it looks so pretty when it starts to get bigger. But when it does get bigger, like when I have start to really tame it out, it's something, I don't know if it's just the way they cut the bob, if it's the length of hair on the wig or what, but it has a very weird cutting. Like this, the bottom portion will be like way down here, and then the layering is really off. The next layer won't be to like up here. So you can tell that there's this large gap, and I have to style it a specific way. I don't know, maybe it's just me. You guys let me know any suggestions or advice you would give in the comment section down below. But I do have to say that I really like this texture and just the curl pattern. I always love deep curly, deep wavy. That's my favorite texture, or at least, you know, curl pattern. My favorite texture is Malaysian. So currently I do have products in this hair. I believe I used the Miss Jessie's Honey Curls gel all over this hair while it was wet, so that way it could keep my curls defined. I do like it when it gets big. As you can see, the bottom is kind of getting big just from me running my hands through it. But as it gets bigger, the curls get like a lot more looser and eventually start to just look like poofiness. I like my curls more defined. I like ringlets, nice sleek waves. I don't mind uniform curls because I know how to work it so it looks right for me, okay? Period. Some of the things that I have found that I did not like, this wig sheds. Okay, just gonna be straight up honest with you. It sheds. And I thought maybe at first it was me because I did bleach my knots. That was probably the only kind of customization other than plucking a little bit of the hairline that I did. But I assumed that I had maybe over bleached them, bleached them a little bit too long, and so that was causing some of the shedding. But your girl is shedding from the back, from the front. She just sheds every time she is wetted down and you are detangling brushing or detangling combing through it. She losing some soldiers, okay? So if that is not your thing, if you cannot stand shedding, I probably would steer clear of this wig. It's not excessive where I'm getting like balls of hair in my hand, but just to let you know, be transparent that it will shed. But I don't mind it so much because I'm used to curly hair, so I'm used to some shedding. I can work with it. Other than that, I don't really have any cons with this hair per se. It does come with the standard 3 combs, 2 in the front and then 1 in the back. It also has the adjustable straps that you pull in to make it tighter or looser for your head. And I think that is pretty much it as far as my opinion on this hair. If I had to rate this hair 1 through 10, I would give it an 8. I would say she definitely deserves an 8. I did wear her in saltwater pools, in the ocean, and she was holding it down. I have to say, she didn't get tangled or matted the entire time while I was on the trip. All I had to do was to get my curls back popping, wet her up with a little water and conditioner, and then go. I will leave all of the information on this hair in the description box below, as well as the link to the company's website where I purchased it from. If you guys like this video, then show me, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are going to do for family activities this Christmas. Now, if you want to be a part of this tribe, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can be a glow getter too, boo. Period. And until next time, bye, little fam. I'm talking Rapunzel tresses, okay? It needs to be hanging down.